Hey, I'm Tim Knight. I'm here at Social on Main. I've been cooking breakfast in Blowing Rock for 47 years. Hopefully I've got it figured out by now.
When did you start cooking?
June 6th, 1979, at Sonny's Grill. It was all local people coming in. They either were retired here, worked here. You pretty much knew everyone that came in, especially in the winter. And the summers were different. They were busy, but it was mostly the country club members that would come in. So you had your summer crowd, and then you had your winter crowd, and it was, you knew them all. I came from Sonny's to Nights on Main in 1995. Right here, yep, in the same spot. Nights on Main was 1995 until 2014. We did breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the same thing. It was a lot of local people. It's good 20 years. We did a good, well-rounded breakfast, well-rounded lunch, and so now we've kind of recreated that with the meat and three that we do, and it's been a good success. Social on Main is locally owned. We want all the locals to come here and recommend us to come here. That's with all the pictures here, all old pictures from Blowing Rock. Craig's Grocery and Nights on Main, the way it looked when it was Chestnut Restaurant. We can get the locals in and they're happy, and they recommend it to other people. So that's why we try to do a good breakfast, a good lunch, at a good price. So trying to bring in the old crowd with the new crowd and, give everybody a good meal and make them happy. We're open every day but Wednesday. Had to have one day off, so we're closed on Wednesday. But the other 6 days of the week, we're 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. We do breakfast all day. Our breakfast menu is available all day. Lunch menu is 11 to 2.
Talk to me about the menu and why you chose to use some of those names.
To gear to the locals, so that people would ask, who is this person? So I had to think about over the years, like who ate what. Like we wanted to incorporate all the breakfast meats and eggs and things into meals. So I had to think back on who ate what, how often they ate it. Our famous Tracy Brown, he always ate the liver mush and the eggs. Charlie Sellers is on there, the mayor. We scrambled eggs with cheese and bacon and wheat toast. Jack Hall is on there. Butch Triplett that used to have Woodlands, who passed away a few years ago. He loved corned beef hash, so he had to get that on there. Beth Ann Clark was a hostess of mine for 17 years. And her family came in one day. She passed away 3 years ago. And on the anniversary of her passing, they wanted to have breakfast here. And they asked me if I would run the Beth Ann Clark special for that day. Well, so many people ordered it that we added it to the menu. So, and it's, a lot of people see that and they remember her. The hostess stand was a different spot, but they remember her there for so many years. And I like having that connection with the people that lived here or have lived here. And it makes an interesting conversation for people. I want it to be somewhere where everybody feels welcome. And that's why we went with the name Social, because we wanted it to be a social gathering.